Hi guys, today we're going to set up from the beginning the Python energy participation ratio package for the design of quantum geodesics. Let's get to it. The first step is to visit the GitHub page, github.com/Zlatko Minev /pyEPR. Okay, here you will see the repository. This is the master branch, and once you fork and clone the branch, as we'll explain in a second, you will then also want to make sure to link back to this original repository, because this is where all the main updates will go. Okay, so you will want to be able to track this remote branch in your Git repository. We'll get to that in just a minute. Let me give you a very brief overview first. I suggest you look over the page about what Python EPR is. For the physics of it, take a look at these references. There's an arXiv link that will be posted soon here. This is chapter 4 of the dissertation, has a brief prelude to the basic ideas of the energy participation ratio, and at the moment serves as a go-to reference also for citations. The full-blown paper will come here. These references explicate essentially all aspects of the approach. Feel free to use the energy participation approach and package as you'd like. When you use it in your work, make sure to cite the EPR papers. And when you publish your work in academic journals, make sure to cite the arXiv or the published version of the energy participation reference. Contents of the README is presented here. You should start by forking the repository. If you're not sure what that is, take a look at the... Oh yeah, and please start it too. We'll then clone it. We'll also then install Python and a Git manager. For this tutorial, I'll be using SourceTree. And you will also use a Python IDE such as Spider. Finally, yeah, enjoy. We'll optimize the circuits. There's example code here, which we'll walk through in a later tutorial, and so forth. Okay. If you have trouble during the setup, I recommend you go down to the troubleshoot section, where we have listed common problems that arise. Let's get to it.